Kryptek gun and rifle cases are the ultimate in protection for your firearms. Available in several camo patterns, each case offers Kryptek's advanced multi-level concealment technology. The soft side cases are made with ultra-high performance, durable, water-resistant fabric. Accessory pockets allow for extra storage, while custom YKK waterproof zippers keep your product safe, secure, and dry. Dual density padding lined with soft fleece fabric offers superb protection for your rifles, shotguns, and pistols. Enhance your next adventure with the protection of Kryptek gun cases.